Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of Versatile Knowledge. So a few weeks ago, Samsung Galaxy S10e, S10 and the S10 Plus was launched worldwide. And in India, it has been launched successfully and the prices has been kept at the ranges of 55,000 for S10e, the 67,000 for S10 and around 75,000 for the S10 Plus. And after all the reviews and every other different media coverage of the Samsung Galaxy S10 family of devices, we got to know that these smartphones are outstanding and really good value for money devices in the flagship category. One thing that is common in all these three devices, that is the hole punch display or the Infinity O display. There is a single cutout in the S10 and the S10e, and there is dual cutout for the dual front-facing camera in the S10 Plus. And Samsung Galaxy smartphone users worldwide are using their creativity to a greater extent to keep different types of wallpapers on their devices in order to immerse or camouflage the front-facing camera or the Infinity O display on the Samsung Galaxy S10 devices. And if you guys are using Samsung Galaxy S10e or the S10 or the S10 Plus, this video is just for you. In this video, I have bought you guys 50 plus wallpapers for the Samsung Galaxy smartphones. I have spent more than 3 or 4 hours to download the highest available quality for each images from the Reddit threads, from Imgur links, and from the original creators themselves. And I've made a Google Drive link for all these images into 2 different folders. One folder will be containing the S10 and the S10e wallpapers, and the second folder will be containing the S10 Plus wallpapers. And the links for both these folders will be available in the description. And right now I'll be giving you a preview of all these wallpapers for you guys to decide which wallpaper to choose on your Samsung Galaxy devices. So just have a look at all these beautiful wallpapers created by several different creators around the world and admire the creativity. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And in order to download the wallpapers for your Samsung Galaxy S10 devices, the links will be in the description, which is my Google Drive link. So I have put a lot of effort to download a lot of wallpapers for these Samsung Galaxy S10 devices. So if you guys subscribe to me, I'll be really happy. So thank you for watching, guys.